Shri John Tuli Sanctum, our DC from Phek district, our Dr. Preetpal Kaur, SP, Superintendent of Police from the Phek district, our Dr. Professor A.C. Vashne sir, who has accepted our invitation and who came from the Chandigarh, former Vice Chancellor from Duwasu, Mathura. Welcome sir in Nagaland, and our former Director of Indian Institute of Farming System Research, Dr. A.S. Pamar sir. He also accepted our invitation and he came from the long way from the Modipuram, and Madam Vashne, our director, he is always with us and he is I think frequently visiting our institute and KVK, and my friend Major Anuj, uh, all the media people who came from the Kohima and Dimapur, and most important today's program guest, all our beloved farmers, ladies and gentlemen and our KVK staff. So today we are organizing this farmers fair in our Phek district, and sir, in this program I think we are already running late, so I will start some briefing our activities so that it will give the some of the idea. Sir, our KVK was established during the 2003, and building and staff that was that constructed during the 2006. So from that we are working for the Phek district. And sir, we have the facilities of the administrative building, sir. We have the 2.5 hectare land, farm area under the NRC on Mithun. And sir, we have the 5 different demonstration unit to give the just training to our farmer. And we have sir 1 fishery pond and 4 number of the staff quarters for our KVK staff, sir. So during the last few years, I think if we will count from the, because it's very difficult to count for the achievement from the last 15 years, but I have calculated some of the 5 years achievement. So sir, under the NICRA, we have supported 1127 farmers under the 5 villages. So that program we are running in our KVK, in our Phek district. So in Futsorami, Puzochudu, Kebasa, Thipizu, and Kikruma. So we are supporting to the farmer under this NICRA, sir. And sir, we have engaged 396 farmers for the natural farming. And sir, now I would like to also inform you that under natural farming, we are now promoting to use our Mithun urine and dung and Thoto cattle and urine and dung, because it's difficult to get the cow urine. And but sir, this is also scientifically proven. Our institute NRC Mithun has already published the paper. The composition of the Mithun urine is as good as the cow urine. So we are promoting to the farmer, and now farmer are also ready to accept. And yesterday when we visited the Zapami village, sir, we were surprised, and Pawar sir was also with me. He was also surprised that people are now rearing only this Thoto cattle for the dung only. So they are purchasing for 70-80,000 rupees they are spending just to use that dung. That is for the farming. So that is, sir, under natural farming we are supporting, sir. And under organic farming also we are supporting 100 farmers, sir. And so crop and livestock development, because we have, sir, expanded the 73% area with the high yielding varieties in the Phek district, sir. And around 13% crop intensity we have improved. So some of the promoted, we have that since our kiwi is the ODOP crop of our district, sir. So we are supporting to the farmer under MSME scheme. Just we are supporting with the providing the packing material, so that after that using that packing material, the price of the kiwi is 20 to 30% increase. So that we are supporting, sir. Sir, we are also supporting some of the high yielding varieties which are suitable to our climatic condition. And sir, recently within I think in this year we are going to introduce one soybean variety which is the recently released from the MP-KV Rahori, Maharashtra. That is KDS 753. So that seed we are going to be distribute for the cultivation in the crops this Kharif season, sir, for the 150 farmers in the our Phek district. So and sir, some of the fruit crops like low chilling apple, walnut, almond, and peach, plum. So that also we are going to be introduced with the help of the Supas, sir, from Srinagar, sir. So all these things are going on, sir, and in the coming season means we are going to be introduced once the rains will start. And so recently we have introduced some of the grapes varieties, six latest release varieties, grapes which are released from the NRC on grapes Pune. We have established in our KVK. Once that variety and material will establish, then we will give to the farmers, sir. So in this direction, sir, we have already organize a training program and different activities, and we are giving to the support to the farmer under NEH program, TSP program. So in this direction, we are working with the collaboration with the different institutes, sir. We are working with the National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources. We are working with the Indian Institute of Soybean Research, Indore. We are working with the India IGFRI, Jhansi, and we are working with the Vivekanand Parvatiya Krishi Anusandhan Sansthan, Almora. So, sir, with that collaboration of all these institute and NBI, ISM, so we are supporting to the farmer. And I am happy to share with all of you, sir, only in this year, in the last 24-25, approximately 70 to 80 lakh rupees input and seed and planting material we have distributed to the Phek district farmer. And that activities is already going on. In the coming week also we are having 2-3 programs. Sir, we have nominated some of the farmers to visit the Pusa Agri Fair, New Delhi. That is the one of the big fair in our country, especially for the farming community. So they visited that place and they get the exposure ke how farmers are doing from the other areas and other Delhi and Punjab areas. And now they are also planning to do all these activities. As sir, we discussed regarding the market.
valuable feedback we have received from the farmers of KVK Phek district. Yeah. Firstly, empowering farmers through training. A key theme in the feedback has the effectiveness of KVK training programs. Farmers have expressed their gratitude to the practical session on sustainable agriculture and all the programs which are organized by the KVK Phek, and which not only enhance their technical knowledge but gave them the innovative idea to create something better. Secondly, the integrated farming system. Farmers have noted the advantages of adopting integrated farming system, which integrate crops, livestock, and aquaculture at the same time to create a diverse income sources. The farmers have appreciated learning the significance of preserving indigenous crops while exploring new generating income opportunities, which is plant genetic resource conservation, the initiative taken by the KVK. And some of the inputs which were given by the KVK farmers, KVK to the farmers are agricultural input distribution, with many local farmers from Phek district find difficult to afford necessary agricultural inputs. And then the KVK has been proactive in distributing the farmer tools such as water pipes, sickles, torches, and aid in farming agricultural activities. Soil health management tools, technology support, hands-on training such as mushroom, kiwi cutting, etc. And most importantly, farmers and scientists interaction, where the farmers get to ask the question to the scientists and get their answers. And finally, certification and recognition. With every program held, the KVK department gives certification and award upon Willingness Farmers Award, which have been received by Kamo and Mr. Zopuluchizo. Innovation Excellence Award, Zopuluchizo and Lead from Chipuzu Village received the Innovation Excellence for outstanding contribution to sustainable agriculture. And lastly, I'm deeply honored to receive the Innovative Farmers Award, thanks to the support of the KVK Phek, particularly Dr. Sanjeev Kumar and his team, notably Dr. Esther and Dr. Hannah. The recognition is so KVK o Kumijano nomination Chileno o Kumzapo Saulayo nomination award category o initiative free. O Katrina no Timbo Award, Innovative Farmer Award, Hideno, Delibo na o Kumzas. Thank you, sir.
Smile will come because you are living in the nature with nature. Certainly you will achieve that one, and after achieving it, you will be a part of One Health program launched by United Nations. One Health is nothing. This is the only thing that you are doing at one platform, and that is being done by the farmers of Nagaland, specifically Porwa farmer, whatever I have witnessed. Very good things. Trust soap. I was so nice. I took snaps, I share it all over India. Even 30 people I shared. This is the thing. You people are so honest and simple one. What I used to say, hill people are simple and honest. Only thing is that we have to take care of those people in a right direction. Not only here in South America, people are violent, but those who have taken to the right spirit, as Madam Principal is taking that assignment over here, they turned up towards the farming activities. In Guyana, they have given me open options. You come here, whatever you demand, we'll give you. Only thing is that, along with hope, main crop is hope. They are earning. Whole economy, GDP is dependent on hope. You come and suggest many things. But my assignment is for my country. My assignment for Northeast, because I served Northeast for about 18 years. I know you people are really need the technological intervention. you have the capability to do. So we are with you. That's why I came. He was suggesting, but due to some health reason, I was not coming. But this time he scolded me so badly, so I had to come. But after reaching over here, I am really thankful to Dr. Patil and SK Singh. Really, I was missing something. And one of the best thing is that what I was suggesting, Dr. SK Singh, lighthouse farm. This is the technology or terminology I gave it to the Netherlands and they have implemented it. Now they have shipped it to India also. So by that time they reached India, you should become a lighthouse farm. And Phek flavor is the lighthouse farm of Nagaland. I can say with proud. Only thing is that I will suggest Dr. S.K. Singh how to document this thing to put it into a lighthouse farm in the eyes of Government of India. And now you are not alone. Dr. Patel is there. Dr. Kaur is there. Really, then when the administration blend with the scientific thought, something will come out for the benefit of not only farming community but for the benefit of the science. NEH fund, Government of India had earmarked some funds for NEH region and people are coming in the month of February or March and give it, okay, you take it and use it. I suggested and my suggestion is that if any department is coming, let them come in the month of May instead of coming February or March. So that proper planning can be made and accordingly the program can be implemented in a scientific manner. Say for example, Phek flavor. Our institute on post-harvest processing, they can collaborate with them and they can develop a market chain link for the benefit of this group. So Dr. S.K. Singh, please see to it if it is done. And if we take up all these responsibility, one more thing which is lacking, and not only here, in every part of India, I used to live in Meerut and I worked in Punjab, Himachal Pradesh. Market chain link is still a problem. But there farmer does not have the problem because they have a very good transport facilities. Infrastructure development is there. Here, of course, it is developing, but it will take time. So we should not wait for that time that it will come, we will start working. So we should live in present day and develop a market chain link. You have plenty of stinglets, honey bee, huge market demand. Only thing is that we have to popularize it. And in that situation, farmer will get benefit out of this program. These are the science and for the benefit of you people, but one wonderful thing what you people are doing, but you do not know, that is ecosystem services. You are providing best of the best ecosystem services and you are enjoying that also. You know, in Delhi, we used to see every day in Meerut what is AQI today. Here I forgotten what is AQI. Honey bee is a part of ecosystem service. The crop yield is dependent on it. Your health is dependent on it. And you know, in Japan, there is a indigenous technology. They have number of honeybees. They are rearing and putting it for you just to take a 1 or 2 bite to a human, and they are charging huge money. And there is a myth: if 1 or 2 bite you take from honeybee, you will not have the problem of cholesterol deposition in the arteries. That you people can also take up this assignment. This is also one of the ecosystem services. So think on it, move progressively, and whatever problem or hurdle comes, you directly be in touch, the director of this institute, head of this KVK. And I find both the people are so cooperative and hardworking, they will take care that assignment on priority. And wherever natural farming and integrative farming system questions arise, I'll be here for you people all the time, no problem for my side. So with this, I thank you one and all, and wonderful galaxy of the farming community. You have come all the way from your villages and you are witnessing of this program, and you are here to take some of the technology, take those one and implement it for the benefit of your livelihood security. I am also thankful to the administration, the Deputy Commissioner and Dr. Pritpal Kaur, SP, because your support is more important. When we go to the village, we should have that administration is with us. But I was surprised when Dr. Sanjeev Singh told the VCC is also with me. This is a credit of KVK to attain it, keep it maintained, and go ahead with all these programs. So you people have come to attend and witness this program. Really, I am thankful to all of you, and really a thanks to the director of the institute for inviting me for this program. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir, for the address. Now, I would like to give time to our director, sir.
Thank you very much. I think before our guest of honor speaks, so I thought I will give some more information regarding the Krishi Vigyana Kendras and what are the activities and what we expect from the district administration. The Honorable Chief Guest of today's function, John Tulasi Sanctum, Deputy Commissioner of Phek. Guest of honor, Pritpal Kaur, SP. Most experienced Dr. Vashne sir, Dr. Panwar sir, and then dynamic senior scientist and head Dr. Sanjeev Kumar, and all the representatives of different departments, and the farmers and members who have joined here. I wish to highlight here that Krishi Vigyana Kendras are the very important component of ICAR, Indian Council of Agriculture Research. In India, across, we have around 756 KVKs, which are located in every district. Now the focus here is, if you, Krishi Vigyana Kendra, if you make it into science, in English it is Farm Science Center. So ICR believes that by providing the science-based solutions, the problems can be addressed, which we have witnessed in 1966 when we were reeling under different famines. With the interventions of the ICR and Swaminathan, we achieved a green revolution, and famines have become things of the past. And now we have reached a level wherein we have surplus production of rice, surplus production of milk. Now when our Director General goes and presents before the secretaries, we have developed a variety which can produce more. They say, no, we don't require. We have enough of rice. Problem is of the collection. It happened because of the science. Now, in Nagaland also, in Phek district, this center was established, and ICR is providing all the necessary support for successful functioning of the system. To give an example, for the first time since its establishment, we have senior scientist and head, and we have all 6 SMS in place, CTOs in place, of different disciplines. It happened last year that they have recruited. He came in 23, and other people joined in 25, and earlier only 2 were managing, Esther and Hannah. Apart from that, you can also see recently our quarters has come, wherein accommodation for the thing is there. And in the last year, because he was very humble in not telling his achievements, so just I was going through the records. In the last 1 year itself, around 40 programs have been done. going across all the villages, on-campus programs, off-campus programs, and several villages, Kebasa, Posudu, Kikruma, Fazaromi, Chizami, Gidemi, Jafami, Porba, Upper Komi, Palami, Gidemi, Meluri, Hatika, Chizami, Sumi, Leshimi, so many villages. They all taken from the records actually. And in this 1 year, this KVK has reached out to 2,000 farmers. And sometimes several 5 days program, 6 days program, going and on-field demonstrations, brought them, arranged them the field visit to the, even to Delhi also, and different places. And it is not just giving different commodities. Some of the commodities like coriander, mushroom, mithun, poultry, piggeries, cattle, goat, aromatic plants, fodder production. Some fodder plots are being developed. Toto cattle, sir, Toto cattle, we are collaborating with the CARC, and they have already identified it, and they are providing with their fund. We are establishing a fodder plot in the Zafami village. And along with the state government, we have also taken Toto cattle conservation project, wherein now we have 3 Toto cattle in our institution. We are collecting the samples and we are analyzing and all those things. And apart from that, even beekeeping, kiwi, paddy, vegetables, all those things are being done. And around, there are collaboration with 13 different institutions. It includes National Bureau of Plant Genetic Resources, NABARD funding we are getting, and then Central Institute of Research on Cattle, the director visited here, National Institute for Biotics Test Management, and then NIST Jorhat, Grass Fodder Research Institute, Indian Institute of Soils Research, and then PPFRA, National Meat Research Institute, Central Institute for Technology, Tropical Horticulture, NRC on grapes. Like that, several institution funding this KVK has attracted. And the training and the activities which are going on, which are different concepts, like integrated farming. None of the villages have commercial farm here. Whatever the farming they are doing, there are agricultural crops, there is a cattle, there is goat, there is poultry, and all the is being, it's a integrated farming is promoted. Now as you are seeing everywhere, they are burning the forest and other things because of that, the hot, the temperature what we are feeling in the month of March itself, which was never seen before. Climate change is happening. Climate resilient technologies. We are introducing certain seeds which are resistant to these climatic changes and other things. Biodiversity conservation, sustainable agriculture, value addition, and then apart from that, solar irrigation, smart cropping, slaughter practices, how to utilize the byproducts and other things. And collaboration is happening with different district these things, including Responsibility Department, horticulture, agriculture, and also the Swachhata Marathon was done. And excellent infrastructure was also developed. And exposure visits were also organized. And then some of the inputs which are given are vegetable seed kits, and then vaccinations, fencing materials, iron post, tea bars which kiwi farmers can use, so that crops can come, the chicks, piglets, tarpaulins, water pipes, torches, medicinal and aromatic. This is the new introduction. And varied kinds of seeds. There is a for kitchen farming, kitchen garden. They have made a kit that contains all the seeds for different kinds of vegetables. All those things are available. And KVK has participated in different exhibitions also. Now our ICR and our institution, with complete staff and facilities, we are ready. Now the question is the district ready to receive all this? Because whatever the green revolution happened, it is not just the hand of Swaminathan. Along with Swaminathan, Bharat Ratna Subramaniam, agriculture minister, he stood by. There was support of the Prime Minister, because of that it happened. Now whatever the introduction we are using, as Dr. Panwar sir was telling, we have to make some holistic development we have to take in that. So we request the district administration to help us in documenting all the assets. How much of area is a particular crop and different things. What are the exact problems? What are the specific inputs required? What are some of the active self-help groups or NGOs who can actually we can benefit them. So that inputs can go in a proper way. So we request our Deputy Commissioner and also SP Madam to help us in documenting and developing the way forward, systematic way forward, so that we do not waste our energy and we do focus this thing, so that because whatever is happening here, it is nothing sort of a revolution. But Sanjeev Kumar and all the staff with wholeheartedly they are working here. Now regarding the natural farming, now Dr. Panwar sir was mentioning, natural farming scheme has also come. The thing is, and in the natural farming, last month we had a meeting in our institution also, wherein experts also came. For Andhra Pradesh, they have taken as a guiding state for Nagaland. So I was telling, natural farming is a part of the lifestyle of Nagaland. How Andhra people come and tell? This is because we are not showcasing the people that we are doing natural farming. I was also discussing with district agriculture officer and in Mezzifema, he told we got a natural farming scheme. We have made a farmers group and other things. I told, what is that? There is no natural farming. So you have to showcase it as natural farming. Frankly, we are waiting for the certification programs for the natural farming. I have already discussing. I think very shortly it will come. Once our natural farming certification is coming, we will go and do it. Otherwise also we request district administration to show that Phek district is completely under natural farming. No fertilizers reach here, no pesticides reach here because of so many reasons. Farmers are doing under natural farming. Sikkim has taken the advantage of it. When the organic concept started, the whole Sikkim state they certify it as organic. And now they are exporting huge agriculture commodity export and production and other things. Because of that, their per capita income highest in India is Sikkim. It is not Punjab, it is not Gujarat. It is more than that. Because of course, industrial development is happening, tourism is happening, but organic certification. Similarly, so kindly help us to get the whole district under natural farming. Let us get the certification for the whole district so that marketing becomes easy. I was also mentioning regarding the transportation costs. Recently, some vehicles have been introduced for from central scheme. Some vehicles have come. If at least one vehicle can be provided to the KVK, one of those vehicles, which will be maintained by us. We will provide the fuel and whatever the transportation requirements it is. They are all cold chain vehicles so that they can be easily transported, because without proper transportation, marketing and value addition will be very, very difficult. So, and apart from that, if any other facilities the district administration can provide, so kindly keep our KVK in mind, so that whatever the facility is created here, it will benefit all the farmers directly. So these are the points I wanted to put forward, and then again I congratulate Sanjeev Kumar Singh and all the staff for organizing this wonderful program and bringing Deputy Commissioner.
Respected DC sir, our director, our former director, our vice chancellor, all others who all are here, especially our officers are also here. सबके पीछे दंगोर सलाम जनाई दिया से बोले भी इतना को आगे दे सब मनु घुमा से नॉट द ऑफिसर्स अपने कान सब मनु घुमा से मुरुम ब्रेक पर 5 मिनट करने खड़ा हो भी तो हाथिंग चलाई लो भी पीछे मनु घुमाई जाए से पीछे
काउंट कर दीजिए ना ग्राउंड में काउंट करा
पुलिस वापरा सिपाही वापरा प्लीज बोई भी अजी मुकान की तो दिन विशेष सुंदर एकता दिखाई दिया तो मुकान लगा जी होगा मुकान लगा इस वजह से ये तो करने ताले का ब्लेसिंग ना लोई कि ना भी कोथा आगे लाई जी बोले मोन नहीं so please excuse me if I'll speak in Nagaland, so I just want to connect with them. So let me take the blessings of our own Lord. इसो लगा blessing first लोगो ताई मुकान लगा farmers करने की को आसे बाइबल थे ये तो पूरी बोले मोन असे ये तो Deuteronomy chapter 28 असे verse 12 असे the Lord will open the heavens and the storehouses of His bounty to send the rains on fair land in the season and to bless all the works of the farmers and their hands. मुकान लगा ईश्वर मुकान की शिकाई दिया असे कि farmer करने तो ताई plenty of मोदक पथा बोले असे बोले भी तते मोइजुन लगा हार्ड वर्क लगी असे ताई मोदक तो पथा वो रॉ मटेरियल तो दिवो पहाड़ खान दिवो माटी दिवो पानी दिवो हवा दिवो होले भी तते रूपा बोले लगा काम खेती कुरी बोले लगा काम मुखन होवो इतु पीछे ते ब्लेसिंग मुखन दोंगोर पावो ना की इतु मुखन लगा इसो मोइजुन के ब्लेसिंग दिया असे ते बोले भी कित्या मुखन पावो इतु तो इकला ना होई कि ना मोइजुन होताई शेर कोई ना खाबो लगे इतु भी ईश्वर मुखन के शिखाई छे इतु करने फार्मर खान अपनी खान मुखन लगा सोसाइटी लगा बैकबोन असे किमन दोंगोर बिजनेस होले भी किमन दोंगोर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन किमन दोंगोर पुलिस किमन डिपार्टमेंट्स होले भी एग्रीकल्चर लगा ऊपर ते कोन भी नहीं थे one of the most important field of every human being is agriculture. मोजन की मन डोंगर ऑफिसर्स होले भी अजी डीसी साहब असे एसपी असे बोले भी मोकन फार्मिंग लगा कोता ही कुरी था किसी डीसी साहब कोई था क्या तो मोए रिटायर होले फार्मिंग कुरी को की फ्री जाएगी ना मोए भी रिटायर होले पंजाब जाएगी ना फार्मिंग कुरी वो ये तो ही भावना असे बिशी हवा मारी असे दुबरा कोई जाओ
हैंडबैग लेके आप अंदर चले जाइए आप अंदर लोगों के पास चला जाइए
ओके अब आप इसी मारा पर अपने खान के ना होने वो कोई ना मोई तो मोई तैते जाएगी ना आई एम गिविंग द एग्जांपल ऑफ इजराइल ओके इजराइल इज सराउंडेड बाय पारिशे तैते लगा सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट दिखता है एग्रीकल्चर लगा टेक्निक आ तो ड्रिप इरिगेशन ये तो चेक करी वो लगे मोई एग्जांपल दिया से एग्जांपल तो एक बार तो मोकल ऑस्ट्रेलिया लगा एक फ्लावर था किसे वाटर हाइसिंथ सुंदर ऐसे कोई के ना आने तो आनी से होली भी मिस्टेक खाई से ये तो करने की क्या अभी अपनी खान फॉरेन लगा दूसरा प्लांट्स खान की आनी ले मोरम मोका लगा सॉइल टेस्टिंग लैब्स जाते ऐसे फर्स्ट सॉइल टेस्टिंग करी भी कि मोए लगा प्लांट तो ये तो मिली बोना नहीं मोका लगा हार्मफुल तो ना हो बोला पूरा विटामिन मिनरल्स माटी तो जिंदा था थे माटी के भी विटामिन मिनरल्स लगे मोका लगा माटी तो बिया ना करी बोला मोका लगा बाकी प्लांट्स तो बिया तो ना करी बोला मोकन पाइन ट्री पिशी खुशी पाए तो ना पानी पिशी ताने दे रही असुर थे के प्लांट्स लग सब लगा पानी खाई दे ये तो करने अपनी खानी तो जरूर होशियार करी भी और थर्डली अपनी खान के को बोले मोन था क्या मोए लगा फेक फ्लेवर्स लगा टीम ते कोई ऐसे होली भी ताई खान अपनी खान सब फार्मर्स फेक फ्लेवर्स ही ऐसे अपनी खान पूरा फेक लगाई ऐसे मोकन कित्या अपनी खान सामान बनाए ऐसे पैकेजिंग करी ऐसे प्रोसेसिंग करी ऐसे टेस्टिंग ते पता है कि अपनी खान लगा सामान भाल ओला नहीं मोकन सिपाही खानी आई बोते धुरी बोले तो धुरी वाले मोन नहीं अपने खाते क्या फैमिली हो जाए शे मोखन लगा पंजाब ते सबसे थुन मनु को फार्मर ऐसे दे इधर मोखन डीसीएसपी खान तो स्कॉर्पियो बिरा ऐसे ना मोखन लगा पंजाब हरियाणा दे तो खेती कुन विशी रिच कल्चर इकता ऐसे इतु करने माँ खान अजी विशी दिखी ऐसे मोता खान भी ऐसे बोले भी ताई जो निमन बाहर प्राइस सब मनु मोई के वासे माँ खानी विशी ऐसे हो तो मोता खान की नहीं का कमती हो जाए मोता खान के भी अरो लोई लो भी फर्स्ट इतु सेकंड अपनी खान के कोबले मोन से बिशी भाग अपनी खान एम्प्लॉयमेंट सर्च करी थके एम्प्लॉयमेंट नहीं ना मोखन के सिपाही ते लो भी मोखन के दूसरा जॉब ते लो भी किले मोजन तो फार्मिंग किले ना करे ना इतु ना बुझियो मोय ना इतु करने मोखन लगा यूथ बिशी ऐसे कुनबा तो स्कूल ड्रॉप आउट करी दीजे कुनबा तो कॉलेज ताई बच्चा तो कॉलेज पढ़ी कि ना हसे तो फार्मिंग ते तो पूरा लिखा मनु तो आगे जा बोले ही हसे किले माने ताई साइंटिफिक एग्रीकल्चर लोई जा बोले ऐसे तो मोरम प्राणी जोड़ लगा बच्चा खान के कुन फार्मिंग ते इंटरेस्ट दिखी ना मोन दिखी ना आगे जाबो पड़े स्कूल लगा बच्चा खान ड्रॉप आउट हसे ताई खान के मुदु शुदु ना होइना ड्रग्स ना होइना उल्टा पुल्टा काम ना करेगी ना खेती ते लगा भी ना मोइजु नागालैंड ते इत्या ताई खान के कोई तकिसे लेट मी टेल यू वर आस्किंग मी हाउ विल बी द रिस्पांस ऑफ दिस ट्राइब फेक ट्राइब इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट हार्ड वर्किंग ट्राइब आई हैव एवर सीन वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग पीपल ताई खान निशना हार्ड वर्क और ताई खान निशना सिंसियरिटी डेडिकेशन आई हैव नेवर सीन they're very hardworking idu karne I think you will get the best results they'll talk
they will not tell anything
yeah
only they will only listen
but their action speaks louder than their words তাই কাল লাগা কাম হি বেশি হল্লা করিব কথা না হই কিনা you know কাম হি হল্লা করিব দিবিতে তাই খান তো দুইটা কোশ্চেন হতিছে দে মোখান के ना मोखान ताई खान के समान आने दिले ताई खान मोखान के रिजल्ट्स दिगो ना नहीं तो अजी मोखन चॅलेंज लोयशी अपनी खान तो रिजल्ट्स फाल देवी अरे ताई इत्या कोआसे अपनी जुन कोथा ना कुड़े कोथा ना होई कि ना अपनी खाला काम लगा आवाज तो जोर प्रा होने बोले देवी दे इतु पीछे दे मोखन लगा चॅलेंज तो फुलफिल हो जाबो फुलवी मोजिन बिशी कोपाल भाल तो मोखन लगा डीसी साहब एकदम मोखन लगा कोकाई मोखन लगा बाबा निशिना ताई भी खेती गुड़ा मनु आसे दे किफरे दे ताई भी पूरा मोन दिगिना अपनी खान के की सपोर्ट लगे से की मदद लगे से ताई आहिशे इतु लोगो मोखन लगा डॉक्टर संजीव ताई तो मामूली ना होय दे ताई के मोय कित्या मातीबो आही जाबो फेक फ्लेवर्स काली लॉन्च कर बोले असे आही जाबो इतु डेट 18 अप्रैल ते फेक विलेज ते छेता फेक विलेज फेक भाग होई कि ना वी आर अबाउट टू हैव अ सेमिनार दैट इज कॉल्ड ऑर्गेनिक लिविंग you know in Phek headquarters 6 villages will be there in April so I called him Dr. Sanjeev ki apni ahibo pade oi I will come you know he is always ready if he is always ready then we should always be ready one step ahead ta laga aage de jabo lage to mukhan na इतु करने अपनी खान तो ताई खान के की टेक्नोलॉजी आने बोले मोन से इतु तो जरूर साबी साइंस को आसे मोई साइंस तो किनी का होबो लगे इतु भी सिखाई दी बोले मोन मोकन पंजाब ते फार्मिंग तो कुरिशे ताई 1966 लगा एग्जांपल दी थगी ना फार्मिंग कुरिशे साइंस आई जायशे हुली भी पंजाब ते एक गलती हुई मिस्टेक इतु मिस्टेक तो की असे मोजन केमिकल्स तो बिशी चुलाई दिशे पेस्टिसाइड्स इंसेक्टिसाइड्स बिशी चुलाई दिया अपना मनुकान तो बीमार पे बिशी बीमार उलाई शे दे मोकन पंजाब ते एक जगह असे बठिंडा बठिंडा अपना लोई किना राजस्थान ते एक ट्रेन जाए इतु ट्रेन लगा नाम तो कैंसर ट्रेन असे दे कैंसर पर फोट्टा मनु गिराय इतु करने मोय लगा जगह तो भाल तो बिशी भाल असे थुन भी बिशी थुन असे हुली भी की गलत असे इतु भी अपनी खान के जनाई दी बोले मोन असे इतु वाला गलती तो ना कुरी भी ऑर्गेनिक ही था कि वो लगे मोयजुन हुली भी ऑर्गेनिक था कि ले तो कीड़ा खाना इले तो की कुरी बोना इतु लगा नेचुरल ट्रीटमेंट्स भी बिशी था कि इतु लगा नेचुरल ट्रीटमेंट्स की असे अजित आई खान अपनी खान के दिखाई था कि जे इतु मुखा लगा डीएचओ भी असे असे यते असे ही कैन यू नो टेल यू हुली भी अपनी खान तो इतु ही चुला भी अपनी खान इतने प्रोडक्ट्स बनाए से तते ऑर्गेनिक लिखी वो परे ना नहीं खुशी खुशी ना परे दे ऑर्गेनिक लगा सर्टिफिकेट लगे तो मोय लगा निजोर एसएसजी के तो कोई दिशे अपनी खान सब साथी खान फार्मर्स असे किले फार्मर्स की को आसे किले माने मुखन पंजाब मनो से खेती तो मुखन लगा खून दे असे दे मोयला बाबा बाजी खान सब खेती करा मनो असे इतु पर अपनी खान के जी सिखाई दिया असे अपनी खान लगा बच्चा खान आजकल सब गलत मतलब डायरेक्शन से बिरा असे मुखन तो छुतु हुआ टाइम फार्मिंग ते एकदम माती ते काम करा मनो असे दे तो माती ते काम करा पीछे भी आईपीएस होलाइशे तो ना अपनी खान लगा बच्चा भी काम करी वो पड़े तो ना इतु करने अपनी खान के इतु शिखाई दिया से ताई खान के की शिखाई से ऑर्गेनिक सर्टिफिकेट तो लिखी बोले अलाउड नहीं कित्या तक अपनी खान ऑर्गेनिक सर्टिफिकेट ना लोबो इतु करने और स्मार्ट तरीका तो किया से सर्टिफिकेट ना पातक वर्ड चेंज करी दी भी नेचुरल इतु लिखी दी भी ना कौन बोची बो अलग तो स्मार्ट चला करी बो लगे मोजन मुखन के होदे बुद्धू ट्राइब को इतु ना होदे जाके संग ट्राइब सबसे हार्ड वर्किंग सबसे भाल सबसे स्मार्ट ट्राइब असे इतु दिखावा लगे थे मोजन ना और सेकंडली साइज लगा अपनी खान के यूज करी बोले मोन था गया तो आजकल सब बच्चा खान यूट्यूब साइट था के सारा दिन यूट्यूब इंस्टाग्राम इतु तो भोय था के आजकल यूट्यूब इंस्टाग्राम ते बिशी भाल भाल वीडियोस आई ऐसे फार्मिंग लगा गवर्नमेंट वाला वीडियोस ही सभी उल्टा पुल्टा ना होई कि ना फर्स्ट सेकंडली तते एप्स असे एप्स किसान ऐप प्रधानमंत्री किसान वंदन योजना ऐप यू नो इतु एप्स ते तो की साइंटिफिक लगी असे किनी का क्रॉप के रूपाबो लगे तू कॉन्सेप्ट शिकाय साइंटिफिक लगा मतलब असे बिजोन लोबो बिजोन तो अपनी का इनी का रुपाई दे इतु के ब्रॉडकास्टिंग को इतु गलत असे लाइन लाइन सोइंग करिबो लगे की ले माने लाइन सोइंग करिले मोजन एकता बिजोन भी वेस्ट ना हो इतु खान साइंटिफिक शिखाय मेथड्स ना ताई खान ना मोरम प्रा इतु एप्स तो अपनी खान डाउनलोड करी के ना कौन बच्चा खान अपने खान लगा घोड़ते इनी होई असे ताई खान कुरी दिबो लगे और अपनी खान के एकता दुईता और कोई दिबोले मोने से हनी बी कीपर यते बिशी पाल असे कोन थाकिस ना हनी बी कीपिंग तो बिशी पाल करी असे बिशी पाल करी असे ते हनी बी वाला मनु तो कुते असे ताई बिशी पाली असे अपनी खान के कोई बोले मोन असे जुदी दुनिया ते हनी बी ना थकीले इतु दुनिया तो 2 हफ्ता 3 हफ्ता भी ना सर्वाइव करी बते किले माने हनी बी एकता फूल प्रा दूसरा फूल प्रा तीसरा प्लांट पा चौथा प्लांट इतु फ्रूट्स दी बोले ताई ही मतलब करी असे तो ताई खान ना थकीले ना परिबो इतु करने हनी बी लगा काम कुड़ा मनु भी ताई के रिक्वेस्ट करी असे मोखनला यूथ खान ताई खान की मिलाई दी बोले परिले बिशी भाल छूतू काम ना होय मोय बार बार पासे डिग्निटी ऑफ लेबर होबो लगे इमन दबर काम कित्याबा बच्चा खान के हुदिला अपनीला बाबा तो की कुळे इकू ना कुळे इतु ना कोबो लगे तो मोय लगा बाबा असे भात खिला मनु इतु इनी का प्राइड लोबो लगे टेक प्राइड इन योर एग्रीकल्चर फार्मिंग यार दैट टाइम यू विल बी यू नो मोर कॉन्फिडेंट अपनी खान करिबो परिबो तो इतु तो एग्रीकल्चर लगा लास्ट दुईता कोथाई असे फर्स्ट तो अपनी खान मोरम प्रा टीम्स बनाई लोबी मोय ही फार्मर असे मोय ही खेती करिबो मोय ही प्रोसेसिंग करिबो मोय ही मार्केटिंग करिबो मोय ही जेकिना पैकेजिंग करिबो ना होबो एकला तो कोन भी जीती बोना परे दे दुनिया दे वी नीड अ टीम वर्क टीम्स भाग करिबी मोय लगा मानो ते टीम्स भाग करिना असे सपोज ताइकन 15 जून असे तो 15 प्रा तो 3 जून तो खेती कुरा मनु खान असे रॉ मटेरियल्स आई दी बोले ना 3 जून तो प्रोसेसिंग करिबो 2 जून तो पैकेजिंग करिबो 2 जून तो मार्केटिंग करिबो ब्रांडिंग करिबो ना एडवर्टाइजमेंट करिबो अपनी जो एडवर्टाइजमेंट ना करिले कोन भी बिक्री ना होबो अजी फेक फ्लेवर्स लगा नाम तो असे हुली भी बिशी मनु फार्मिंग कुड़ा असे हुली भी ताइका लगा नाम की नहीं काइशे मोकन मार्केटिंग बिशी बाल कुरिशे एडवर्टाइजमेंट बिशी बाल कुरिशे ताइका लगा ना तो एडवर्टाइजमेंट करने की कुरिबो परे अपनी खान इंस्टाग्राम असे ट्विटर असे फेसबुक असे सोशल मीडिया को तो भाल करने चुलावो लगे उल्टा पुल्टा करने ना होगी ना सारा दिन रील्स आई थगे मोजुन इतु ना होगी ना मोखन लगा चके संखन इतु निशना चुला भी ना अपनी खान इतु सुंदर इकता बना भी ना इकता प्रोडक्ट लगा नाम बनाई ना तते दिखा भी আৰু লাষ্ট আপুনি খান কি ক'বলৈ মন আছে চাকেচাং জেগাতে বেছি ভাল ভাল প্ৰডাক্টছ আছে আপুনি খান কি ঈশ্বৰ হেভেন দিছে দে কিন্তু হেভেন দিয়া লগা সামান তো কেতিয়াবা ইয়াতে লগা সামান তো আপুনি খান বনাব বনাই দিয়া পিছতে এইটো সামান বনাইছে এইটো সামান লৈ যাই কিনে মই হায়দৰাবাদতে কোনোবাকে দি দিছে তাই খান কয় হায়দৰাবাদতে বনাইছে হায়দৰাবাদ লগা ষ্টল नहीं नहीं तो फेक ते बनाई नहीं नहीं हैदराबाद ते बनाई झगड़ा हुआ टाइम ते कौन जाने ना फेक ते बनाई ये ते लिखी दी भी ना मोरम्ब्रा छू तू एकदा मेड इन फेक ना इतु पीछे अपनी खान के कौन भी धोखाई दी वो ना परिबो फेक ते बनाई नागालैंड ते बनाई नागालैंड लगा सामान असे नागालैंड लगा ही हो लगे इतु पीछे तो मुखर के कौन भी धोखा बोले ना परिबो तो ना इतु अपनी खान की और एकता शिकाई दी बोले मन असे और लास्ट एकता काही मुखांकी पैसे मार्केटिंग करने पिशी दुखाचे ना इथे अपनी जुनी तू इतु केक खायची अपनी कान खाई दीची ओली भी इतु पेपर ही बच्ची ना से इतु पेपर बच्ची ना से मोहे तो केक खाना ही इतु केक ऊपर ते लिखी मेड इन कोलकाता वेस्ट बंगाल मोहे लगा घर ते चौकली मोहे लगा एक तो ऑफिस एप्पल्स आनी छे एप्पल्स इतु एप्पल ते लिखी ना थकी छे हिमाचल एप्पल अच्छा तो हिमाचल लगा एप्पल तो येते तक पुंची वो परे मुख लगा फेक लगा सामान तो हिमाचल पुंची को ना परे वाह किनेगा परे दो ताइखन की कुरिशना की टेक्निक यूज कुरिशना इतु जानिबो लगे ताइखन टीम बनाई टीम के कोऑपरेटिव्स भी कोई मोखन महाराष्ट्र ते तो बिशी फालचुले ताइखन अपनी जून 20 30 30 50 100 जून मिली कि ना जुदी टीम बनाई गाड़ी इकता लोइशे तो सब लगा सामान मिलाई कि ना पूरा गाड़ी तो फर्स्ट तो दिमापुर जाबो दिमापुर पीछे तो गुवाहाटी जाबो गुवाहाटी पीछे तो पंजाब जाबो पंजाब पीछे तो हरियाणा जाबो और कित्या मोखन पंजाब ते भात खाई थगी वो मोला खाली देवी फेक फ्लेवर्स लगा पिकल आई वो तो दिन मौका लगा भात सबसे मीठा हो दे कित्या मोई जानी वो अपनी खान भी ट्रांसपोर्टेशन पारी छे दे और पारे दे मौका लगा फेक होले भी नागालैंड लगा कुन भी ट्राइब होले भी कुन भी नागा मनो इकता भी समान इकता भी काम ना पारा मनो तो नहीं अपनी जून ब्रिटिशर्स के खिताई दिया मनो हसे हराई दिया मनो हसे ना वीविंग ते सिंगिंग ते स्पोर्ट्स ते हैंडीक्राफ्ट ते फार्मिंग ते की ना जाने एजुकेशन दे रेसलिंग दे सब ते नाम ऊंचा उला ऐसे सब ते पारे इकता ही चीज मिसिंग तो टीम वर्क यूनिटी मोरम बाजी इतु हारी जाए मोही इकला फायदा ले लो वो इतु ना हो दे आई एम गिविंग एन एग्जांपल दे पाटिल साहब ना once we gave seeds to the farmers what did they do taikhan you know they'll use all the seeds they'll leave some seeds they'll not give to their neighbors ऐसे ही छोड़ देगा इन्हीं बुज्जी बोले दीबो दूसरा की तो फायदा दी बोले मन नहीं दो that unity is not there तो until you are not united in this thing ना will not go ahead इतु करने अपनी खान के रिक्वेस्ट करी असे अपनी खान टीम्स बनावी आजी तो अपनी खान फेकते असे मोय भाभी असे येते बस्ती भी बिशी बस्ती आईना असे लोजाबू आईना असे शिजमी आई किना असे शुजबा प्रभी होबो फुत्सिरो प्रभी होबो बिशी आई किना असे अपनी खान सो मोय इतु बस्ती ना होय ना मोय फेक लगा चाके संग फार्मर मोखन सब बस्ती लगा सम्मान मिलेगी ना चाके संग लगा प्रोडक्ट तो पूरा दिमापुर देन गुवाहाटी देन पंजाब हैदराबाद बेंगलोर पुंचाई दिबो ना की इतु निचना टीम बनावले परिले अपनी खान के बिशी इकता मदद हो जावो हेल्प हो जावो अपनी खान के ताइखान इकता इंटीग्रेटेड फार्मिंग भी कोई छे इतु तो अपनी खान बुझिश ना बुझाने मोय ना जाने इंटीग्रेटेड फार्मिंग लगा मतलब तो अपनी खान माँ खान तो इतु की जिंजर खान टर्मरिक खान इतु रुपये ऐसे तो फार्मर्स बोले भी अपनी खान कित्याबा तो मोल लगे ना वाले कित्याबा लाइट लगे कित्याबा पानी लगे फेंकते तो पानी नहीं ना तो अपनी खान की कुरिबो पड़े इंटीग्रेट कुरिबो पड़े सब घावरी भी पालिबो लगे घावरी लगा पेखाना ना वाले मिथुन लगा पेखाना पर मोल बनाई लेबो पड़े वर्मी कंपोस्ट कुरिबो पड़े इतु पीछे ते ताते लगा सामान की फार्मिंग असे तू कुरिबो पड़े जुदी इतु ना परिले अपनी खान इतु मोन नहीं बिशी खेती लगा सामान इतु पता शता खान जमा कुरी किना ताइखान लगा मोदब लोई किना इकता बायोगैस प्लांट थके थे बायोगैस प्लांट इतु गैस पर तो लाइट और लाइटे मोखन फेंकते तो लाइट नहीं तो ना सबसे भाल तो ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ऐसे तो ना तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भी बनावो पड़े थे इतु पड़ा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी भी पावो पानी भी पावो मोल भी पावो फ्रूट्स भी पावो सब पावो तो कुली भी ताते इंटीग्रेट कुरी भी और मिक्स फार्मिंग कुरी भी इकता ही क्रॉप रुबावो दूसरा ही रुबावो ना होवो माती जिंदा से कुआ करने ताई खान की विटामिन मिनरल्स लगे तो माने अपनी खान खेती ते धान रुपाई से जुदी तो मकाई ना वाले मोटर ना वाले दाल खान इतु तो रुपावो ही लगे ताई खान नाइट्रोजन दे तो ना सब इतु तो मिक्स कुरी ना जाबो लगे कुली भी केमिकल्स ही ना चला भी टीमवर्क की भाल कुरी भी अजी अपनी खान ये 50 ना वाले 60 जून होगो मोरम पर घोर जाएगी ना अरो मोय 50 जुन निजोर बस्ती लगा किनी का उठाई दीबो ना इतु एजेंडा लोई किना जाबी दे अजी किसान मेलाते ऐसे अपनी खान किसान ऐसे किसान लगा मुन तो एकदम दोंगर थके थे मुखन पंजाब ते निकाह से मोय के बाबा खान सिखाई दिया थे तो दुनिया ते सबसे दोंगर हाथ ईश्वर लगा कुआ तो किसान ऐसे फार्मर ताई भात खिलाए तो सबसे दोंगर मोन ईश्वर निशना मोन कुआ तो खेती कुरा मोन निशना थके इतु करने अपनी खान ईश्वर लगा चेहरा ऐसे ईश्वर लगा फार्मर ऐसे एक दूसरा के मोरम बाजी करी ना 50 जून ऐसे 50 जून है ना नेक्स्ट टाइम 500 जून के मोदक पूरी पूरी बिराबी एक एसएसजी दूसरा एसएसजी के शिकावा लगे दूसरा तीसरा के तीसरा चौथा के मिली मिनिला टीम बनाएगी ना अपनी खान मार्केटिंग ते परिबो लगे थे इतु मोरम बाजी थे ही लास्ट मोय लगा फेवरेट वर्ड्स ऐसे मोय सब जगह पुड़े अपनी खान की पुड़ी दिया ऐसे इतु पुड़ी की नहीं खत्म करी वो इतु बाइबल लगा कोरियंथियंस लगा चैप्टर 13 ऐसे वर्स 13 ऐसे from all the three which abide by the die, that is faith, love and hope. The greatest of all the three is love. मोरम सबसे दोंगोर थके बाइबल को आते हिब्रू चैप्टर ते सब जगह लिखी ना अपनी कान जानी ऐसे तो ना इतु करने ईश्वर लगा विजडम मांगी की ना कि ईश्वर मोखन की ब्लेसिंग दी भी डेविड निशना मोसेस निशना सैमसन निशना मोखन भी प्रोमिसेस सैमसन निशना गलती पर फंगाई ले भी मोखन के माफ दिखी ना आगे लोई जा भी थे ईश्वर ना टेम्पटेशन तो होता ही था कि बोते ये तो टेम्पटेशन से परी भी थे करप्शन ना होना सुकु जुलाबाजी ना होना पॉलिटिक्स ना होना फार्मर तो जीत्या मनो असे इतु भी जीती भी और नेक्स्ट टाइम तो मोखन की थी पंजाब हरियाणा ते भाग खाबो ताई खन भी उत्तर प्रदेश ते ताई आंध्र प्रदेश कर्नाटका लगा से थे when he sits in Karnataka he should have the pickle of fake flavors te you know when he sits in Uttar Pradesh he should have that candy of your people te honey of from fake te itu hoile judi they will be also shocked to shock khilawi tai khan kide kampra they said na kotha nai tai khan kotha na kore mukhan kampra hunai dibo tai khan ke and you all can do it I am very sure all the best thank you and thank you to whole team thank you
forces into well really and this made me proud to all KVK to all the people of this district that the farmers they are doing a lot. I was listening 2 or 3 resource people from you people and they were telling yes there are a lot of awards, countless awards they are there in this district. This shows that how motivated people you are, how much hard working you are, what kind of technology you are a recipient of this kind of thing. Really, real hats off to you people. You are the real workforce of this district. Dr. Sanjeev, she was telling the lot of initiatives here this KVK has taken, lot of technologies he has developed and transferred to you people. In fact, the real work of the KVK is that the technology which has been developed by the ICAR institutions or the university or at other national institutes, these technologies they are to reach to the local farmers. And this KVK is doing real work. That the technologies they are now able to reach the technologies to you people. Really, and you are saying that you are now reaching the 95 villages. This shows that how much work this KVK is doing. So my real appreciation and congratulations to the KVK, the head, Dr. Sanjeev, and the scientists and the farmers, to you all. I was listening the achievements of the NRC Mithun and the other areas that Dr. Patil was telling, a lot of initiatives he has taken. And really, he is saying that not even to this district or in the Nagaland, he is organizing the various kinds of activities to other states also. You are saying that I think the team of the NRC Mithun is going within a couple of days to Arunachal Pradesh also. So this is a real work that the real work with NRC Mithun
is doing. So my congratulations to you and your team also. Friends, you know that the Green Revolution, it came in 1960. Thereafter the White Revolution came. Then the Yellow Revolution came. Then Blue Revolution came. How it has these revolutions, they have been reached to that stage. Because of now in many commodities, we are at number 1 in the world. And few of we are number 2 at the world. So reaching to number 1 and number 2, say for example that if we talk about the milk production, animal population, and number of other things. So we are at number 1. And number 2 also, we are the rice producer. You are the number 2 in the rice production, the maize production, the wheat productions, and there is the fish production. The number of areas. Just open. Sir. Yes, sir.
And French bean, different vegetable seeds, sir.
I think itu or publication se ki logo dikhai logi. Let us see.
And
Show
sir,
everything
all
together.
the kids.
Of the program, Dr. Hanna, respected Dr. A.S. Panwar, former director, ICAR, Professor A.C. Wasni, former vice chancellor, Dr. Kirish Patel, director, ICAR, Dr. Britbal Kaur, the President of Police, Phek, and also Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Singh, Senior Scientist and Head KVK, Phek, Nagaland, all the scientists of this KVK, Porba, officers, technitaries, Aro Amar farmers kan. Thank you for inviting me to this wonderful program where you have exposed me more to the farming and the techniques. And I thank this KVK for inviting me for this program. I have been to, this is my 3rd district as the Deputy Commissioner. I have attended so many farmers mela in other districts as well. But I think today's mela is really wonderful. And I think it is the most successful mela that we are holding in the district. And I congratulate the KVK and also the farmers for your contribution and for your success. You have done wonderfully and we appreciate it. We thank you for doing your best and I hope that you will make Phek district to take a further step to way ahead. Well, thank you for making me attend this wonderful program amongst the wonderful and well knowledgeable scientists and also the farmers. Where in a way I feel that I am nowhere today. Hearing your success, hearing your wonderful speeches, I am taken aback. And I really appreciate the contribution that is being made by our district farmers in these different sectors. Well, the scientists and all the knowledgeable people have spoken today much about the farming in scientific way, the scientific intervention that has been made in the district. So I won't be talking much. I'll just speak few words as a layman. Well, Nagas are basically farmers and hard-working people. However, it is somewhere we have missed the way. We have off-tracked ourselves and lost most of our qualities. And it is high time that we regain back those spirit so that we are once again independent and self-sufficient in all matters and undertake the market over, if possible, wherever. Well, our people were never aware of the markets outside. We, the Nagas, were self-sufficient, self-sustenance, and hardworking, but we were not aware of the markets outside that is available. And that is what we are lacking now. We are weak in market chaining. We do not know much about exploring the markets outside. And it is high time that our people learn to do it. Then only our farming will help us to grow more and more. But what I really want to say is that we should not be missing out or giving up our qualities and spirit on the road. The honesty, the hardworking, love, and working together. Our people, the Nagas, were used to working together, going day after day from someone's field to another field, working together. But somewhere we have, as I told you, missed the road. And we are now too selfish, too self-centered, that we don't know how to work together. We do not know how to contribute our service to our neighbor. That is why we are failing. And practically, to be very frank, no Naga is too poor enough to go hungry. Every Naga have at least a piece of land in their villages. But we have adapted to the Western culture too fast that we have abandoned our culture, our hard work, and take the farming as a low person's work job. We never consider farming as a dignified job. Our former speakers were speaking. Our SP was speaking. Farmers are the most richest people in the world. The only thing is that we will have to adopt the scientific methods that we are lacking, for which KVK is doing its best in all the districts in Nagaland. I really would like to appreciate KVK for doing that. Another problem we have in the state is that we do not do things scientifically nor try to sustain it. We imitate people very easily. Nah? If somebody is growing kiwi, everybody tries to grow kiwi. If somebody is growing cardamom, everybody will try to cultivate cardamom. Nah? We amikhan ki kuru bole pare, kundu amikhan la kam phala se, kundu amikhan la mati te chabo lage, that we don't hear much. We do it just because somebody is doing. And we fail altogether. Nah? Sob bhi iki logo kurubo, sob kurubo le kushish kurubo, sob bhi fail ho. And we know that, as we were talking, amikhan la market, our market is limited. But you go to the market, our local markets, seasonally or maybe alternately, you will find something in the market in plenty and in excess in one occasion or 1 year. Next year you will not find. Aruna dikhibo next year. Because everybody has started doing it and everybody has failed. We should try to identify what we can do best and what your soul can hold. Apne laga kheti de kundu hi phal hobo itu bhi janibo lagibo. Aro apni kundu kurile itu phal ase itu bhi janibo lagibo. Nichor laga itu gift bhi ase, talent bhi ase, aro apne laga soil condition bhi phal bra sabo lagi. Aro amikhan iki logo kam guru bole hikibu lagi. In Nagaland, most of the two things are failing. Most of the projects fail because we introduce the crops randomly. And we introduce the crops all over the state at one go. So somewhere, in one location or another, it may succeed. But the majority of the areas, majority of the districts fail because it is not suitable climatically. One. So our identification of the soil testing should be done, and I think this KVK is doing a great thing on that, thankfully. And this, after doing that, I think we will be able to grow and plant suitably the crops where it is fitted. Another, all the conversion programs in Nagaland fail. Almost all. Why? I told you earlier, we have forgotten to work together. So, we don't cooperate each other. 2-3 departments take the project as a conversion project. But when we do not work together, when we do not know how to coordinate each other, then the project fails. So almost all the conversion schemes and programs in Nagaland failed. So we should learn how to work together. Then things will be better. When I was DC, Deputy Commissioner Jeffrey, one of our KVK scientists, he used to go along with other department officers, agree and like his department officers, in seeing the projects, both the KVK undertaken projects and the departmental projects. I was very happy. I encouraged them to do that. And I encourage the departments like Agri, Horti, Fishery, to invite the KVK people while you are inspecting and also during the verification of the projects. And they were doing it very successfully and they did wonderfully, which should be encouraged. And I would also request KVK to take our departmental officers into your confidence and work with them so that your projects, as well as the projects undertaken by the government of the state government, will succeed. And you will be the most befitting persons to give the scientific knowledge to the departmental officers. If we work together, we will surely succeed. When we forget that, then we will be, each of us will be on our own. And all of us will be failing. When I was talking to one this occasion in Kefri district, because of this heavy law and order problem there, I just told them, why not we learn to live together first? The first step to solution of the problem is, why not we learn to live together? If we live together, learn to live together, there will be always a solution. And if we work together, then the success is assured. And I'm happy that many of the self-help groups are doing well in Phek district. And you have won so many awards in district level, state level, and national level. Congratulations to all of them. And I wish that you will have more awards and you will have more success. And I wish that today's Farmers Mela will again enrich you more to do better, much better, which will take you to a greater height, greater success. I wish the KVJ and the farmers all the best and the success of this wonderful Mela. Thank you very much.